Hi everybody, I'm Ellie with T-Sportline, and today's a very exciting day because I want to share with you how T-Sportline and the Tesla Model X have evolved together to make it look better than ever. Back in 2016, when the Model X was initially introduced, we were all very excited. But I have to be honest, the first time I saw it, and a lot of you will probably agree, the exterior styling was a little bit too plain. One of the best vehicles Tesla has ever created, and personally my favorite, the Model X, exterior styling is just a little too bland. So back in 2016, we went ahead and started to design and create and eventually came to market with our limited edition T-Largo wide body program. 20 special individuals have purchased that limited edition vehicle. And then as we fast forward to when the refresh came out in 2021, our T-Largo limited edition was completely sold out, and it was time to make a move with the new changes that Tesla has created. Now, while the 2021 refresh of the Model X up until currently now 2025 looks very similar to the previous model, but trust me when I tell you that every single panel is actually different, and our T-Largo kit just did not fit. And right then we knew that we had to go back to pen to paper, design in-house, and create T-Largo-R, the refresh. And here you have the first one today that we have built. So it all starts right here at the front end, the front bumper, this lower carbon fiber apron, exposed carbon fiber with a gloss finish that fully accentuates the front end look appearance and begins the whole vision of T-Largo-R. As you can see, then it connects with a brand new gloss carbon fiber front wheel arch with this really cool cutout design element that connects with a brand new refreshed side skirt rocker panel, some nice design elements there, connecting to the rear Falcon wing door arch, the rear quarter panel, and then my favorite, the brand new refreshed carbon fiber diffuser that ties in perfectly with the new carbon fiber wing. Now, this kit actually comes in, like I said, fully exposed gloss carbon fiber, but just like the previous version, you can go ahead and paint it, you can wrap it, you can leave it all exposed, it can be refinished in a matte carbon fiber finish. The possibilities and the choices are endless. Now, part of the T-Largo program are these brand new 22-inch, 22-spoke wheels with a floating center cap assembly to cover up all the mounting hardware and give you that T-Sportline logo that floats while driving. Now, as you can see, the front wheels and the rear wheels have a really nice concave look about them. Finished in gloss black or any color that you want. This is part of the program, along with these really special 22-inch Falcon tires, which just look great and drive perfectly on this Model X. Now, this is actually an EV-based tire, so it does have the silencing foam on the inside. So you get the whole wide body program, exposed carbon fiber, 22-inch wheels and tires, and that is T-Largo-R. Now let's go into what else we did on this very special Model X. Clearly it's black, right? And yes, this vehicle came from Tesla in black. But we wanted to go ahead and protect the body panels, the painted panels, and the whole T-Largo program. So we used T-Max Gloss Clear PPF on all the exterior carbon pieces to help protect it from road rash and rock chips and allow for very easy cleanup. Now, you would think that we probably did the same on the black panels, but we didn't. We actually used T-Max Hypergloss Black Color Change PPF. Now you might ask yourself why? Why would we do that? It's already a black car, just put clear on there. Well, typically that would be the answer. But the reason why we went with the color PPF is because even though Tesla gives us pretty good quality paint on our Teslas, the Hypergloss Black PPF actually has more of a mirror finish. It's actually better than gloss black paint from Tesla. And we wanted this T-Largo to really shine. And you know what? Something different, not for everybody, but Hypergloss Black, even on a black car, in my opinion, is the way to go. Now, you know, the first T-Largo-R has to be extra special. And while this is amazing, we did not stop there. Let's go inside and let me show you this completely reupholstered interior that we just finished in a color that we've never done before. So check this out. We reupholstered all 6 seats, door panels, lower dash, center console, seat backs using Rolls-Royce Imperial Blue leather hides that we imported from the tanneries in Europe to give this T-Largo a very special look. How beautiful, and look at this attention to detail. We've got the matching Imperial Blue stitching. We have our signature diamond quilt design on the upper V-neck area of the seats, on the door panel inserts, just to give it a sportier, a classier appearance. The whole door has been reupholstered, as you can clearly see. We dyed the speaker grills that were black to match the Imperial Blue leather. And now this Model X has just been completely transformed from the exterior all the way to the interior. What do you guys think? I'd love to hear some comments below about TLargo-R, about the fact that we reupholstered the whole interior. This is a brand new color. What do you think? Do you like this Imperial Blue? I'd love to hear your thoughts below. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. We have so many more amazing videos coming your way soon.